Hi guys, so this video is for the second grade math book, and yesterday we were introduced to Yekttis, and these are creatures from another planet, and I showed you guys the pictures, and some of them were similar, but no two were exactly the same. So I posted in the comment section of the video yesterday some Yekti cards that you guys could cut out. So today we are going to play Guess My Rule with Yektis. I have all of my cards laid out, and what I'll do is in one hand I'll have Yektis that fit my rule, and in the other hand I'll have Yektis that do not fit my rule, and I would like you guys to shout at the computer what you think my rule is when it comes to these Yektis. So, my first one, let's see. Okay, I'm just going to start off with two cards. Okay, so these Yektis fit my rule. These Yektis do not fit my rule. What do you think my rule is? So these Yektis fit my rule. These Yektis do not fit my rule. Take a look at them. This one's a little bit tricky. These Yektis fit my rule because they have solid colored eyes. These Yektis do not fit my rule because they have outlined eyes. So I tried to trick you because how many antennae do they all have? They all have one antenna. So we had to then look at different attributes, like the eyes or the mouth. The shape is the same on the face, right? I have one hexagon on this side and one on this side, and then one rhombus on this side and another rhombus on this side. So my rule was solid eyes versus outlined eyes. Let's see. I'm going to pick... This one's going to be a little different, so make sure you look really closely. Okay, let's see. I'm only going to use one group of cards for this one. So, all of these Yektis fit my rule. So they all fit my rule. What could my rule be? Take a look. Both hands fit my rule. What do you think my rule is? My rule could be one of three things. If we're looking at similar attributes, right? If we're looking at similarities within the pictures, one of my rules could be their mouth shape. They all have the same shape mouth, and the squiggle all goes the same way. My other rule could be that they all have solid eyes, colored in eyes. The last rule that these could fit are that they all have two antennae. So if you guessed one of those three things, you were right. Now, I am going to do another one. So let's see. Okay. You ready? These ones are gonna be the same as last time. So all of these fit my rule. What do you think my rule could be? All of these fit my rule. So, my rule could only be two things. My rule could be they all have the same mouth because their squiggle all goes the same way. Or my rule could be their faces are all the shape of a hexagon. Okay? So, what I would like you to do is I would like you to play Guess My Rule with Yekttis, with your parents, your siblings, whoever's around the house. Play a couple of rounds of Guess My Rule and just have fun, because tomorrow we will be playing with the Yekttis and Guess My Rule using 2 rules. So have fun.